This is a remarkable story of Joe Popelas, a visionary who saw the unseen and tapped into the infinite possibilities of AI. In a world where AI is revolutionizing our lives, Joe discovered a goldmine in AI-generated books. Today, you will learn all about how he achieved this feat, a young student who catapulted from earning $11 per hour to building a $1 million empire, selling over 350,000 AI-generated books. It all started in 2020 with Joe's high hopes and big dreams. Fresh out of high school, Joe had big dreams and a fascination with artificial intelligence that burned brighter than 1,000 suns. Unfortunately, he still hadn't figured out the best thing to do or how to go about these dreams of his. Now, here's the twist. Joe wasn't your typical AI prodigy. He didn't have a fancy Silicon Valley address or a team of PhDs working alongside him. Joe was just a regular 20-year-old computer science student living in Toronto. But with tech, where ideas are the currency of the future, Joe had a eureka moment that changed his life forever, starting from the birth of his beautiful AI business idea. Joe's AI business journey started with a simple question. How can AI, especially ChatGPT, benefit businesses? You see, Joe had a knack for spotting opportunities. He sensed AI was the way of the future and that it could be a game changer for small and mid-sized businesses itching to get a taste of its power. In 2020, while juggling college classes and part-time work, Joe worked on a use case for ChatGPT 3 and learned how AI could be integrated into different business models. In 2022, after college, Joe decided to test out all that he worked on and put his theory to the test by providing value to business owners who might want to learn about AI. Armed with his AI knowledge and a hefty dose of determination, he began offering advice to businesses interested in adopting AI. And guess what? People started knocking on his virtual door, eager to learn from his expertise. With this development, Joe started charging people, and he was being paid for the value he offered. Fast forward to July 2022, a month that would alter the course of Joe's life. He found himself in a meeting with a publishing company. What they revealed was nothing short of mind-blowing, the sheer revenue generated from selling books. The simplicity of this market was startling, and Joe's entrepreneurial spirit kicked into high gear as he realized that this was a potential niche he could delve into and make much money from it. The spark was ignited. Joe realized he could monetize AI, particularly ChatGPT, with book production, creating something truly extraordinary. The notion was enticing, and he couldn't resist taking the plunge. And with just this mind-blowing idea and firm determination to pull through, Joe started his journey of diving into the unknown. In August, Joe leapt. He started generating books with ChatGPT as his trusty ally. By September, he'd crafted 40 books. This was indeed a testament to his unwavering commitment. The journey was fraught with challenges, but Joe was in his element. As the leaves turned and October arrived, something magical happened. Joe had his first profitable day. It wasn't about the money, it was about the validation of his idea. He knew he was onto something big, and that was the moment everything changed. December 28th is another day etched in Joe's memory. That was the day he hit a milestone that most entrepreneurs only dream of, his first day of hitting $1,000 profit. Imagine a college kid turning a profit from a venture he'd funded himself, all while attending classes and working a minimum wage job. The news spread like wildfire. Joe's family and friends were awestruck by his achievements. He'd transformed a simple concept into a thriving business, and the best part? It is a self-made success, as Joe's venture was entirely self-funded. He didn't have deep pockets or an army of investors backing him. He relied on his knowledge, determination, and willingness to learn from his mistakes. But wait, there's more. Imagine balancing college exams, coursework, and a part-time job, all while nurturing a fledgling business. Joe knew the meaning of sleepless nights. He dropped 2 college courses to carve out more time for his book brand. It was a risky move, but he had his sights set on something much bigger. For anyone harboring dreams of diving headfirst into the world of AI-generated books, Joe has some invaluable wisdom to share. In an interview, Joe stresses the importance of understanding AI models, finding a niche, teaming with potential readers, and crafting content that catches the attention of your audience. In his interview, he noted that the money he makes from writing books is also a result of how he monetized them, as he had made a lot of profits from ads targeted at his books. He said he generates all books, markets them on Pinterest, and sells them to single mums. As of recently, his brand evaluation is at $950,000, and this is living proof that making money from AI is possible. However, Joe's extraordinary story is not just about business success, but also about passion, adaptability, and embracing new horizons. Joe's daily routine is a blend of managing his thriving book business and pursuing his passion for music, even though it's just a hobby for now. Mornings is dedicated to overseeing his advertising campaigns, ensuring that everything runs smoothly in his book empire. His meticulous approach to the business side of things has been key to his success, and he's proud of the fact that he's built a loyal customer base. But it's in the afternoons where Joe truly shines as a mentor. He's taken on the role of a teacher, guiding aspiring entrepreneurs on their journeys to create their book brands. His students have achieved remarkable success, and Joe's gratified knowing that he's helping others achieve their dreams. With significant earnings at the young age of 20, Joe's financial discipline is commendable. Instead of splurging on material possessions, he's made a calculated choice by investing in a Rolex watch. He recognizes that this luxury watch isn't just a status symbol, it's also a store of value. Joe's approach to money is mature beyond his years, focusing on accumulating wealth rather than frivolous spending. He emphasizes the importance of building wealth by investing in ventures that will yield more profit in the future. He shared that the reason why he decided to get a Rolex watch was because the watch would retain its value in the near future, compared to other material things that will become a liability and lose its value in the future. His restraint is an important lesson for anyone who suddenly finds themselves with newfound wealth. Joe's message is clear. Prioritize smart investments over flashy purchases, and your financial future will be all the more secure. One of the most intriguing aspects of Joe's story is the potential sale of his book business. Initially, Joe didn't think selling would be a straightforward business, but he decided to test the waters. To his amazement, his business received an offer of $930,000. This offer and the investor's interest validated Joe's vision and his ability to build something truly valuable. Joe had a strategy of selling parts of his business rather than the entire corporation, which is innovative. This approach not only generates substantial profits, but also keeps Joe at the forefront of the AI-generated book industry. If Joe could advise his younger self when he embarked on his entrepreneurial journey, he would emphasize the importance of prioritizing learning over earning. This lesson, drawn from his earlier business endeavors, is valuable for aspiring entrepreneurs. Joe's success in AI-generated books was, in part, because of the vast skill set he'd built up over the years. I hope you had a great time watching this video and gained some new knowledge. If you did, a thumbs up would be awesome. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest in AI. Thanks a ton for watching, and see you in the next one.